Hello everyone, in this video we are going to discuss missing numbers. I suggest everyone to watch the number series before coming to this video, because whatever the logics we used in the number series, almost many logics will be applicable in this video. Also, the link is in the description for the number series, just watch it. Okay, now to find the missing numbers, some logics we will follow. That first logic, we will add the columns and rows. We will check whether that logic is applicable or not. Next, subtraction, multiplication, division, square numbers, cube numbers, squares minus 1, cubes minus 1, like this one by one logic we will check. Okay, now for this, if we look at the question, if we get any idea immediately, then it is very better. But in case if we didn't get, one by one logic we need to apply. So now if we observe this, 50, 9, 31, 42, 7, 21, 43, question mark 11. Here only 9 is a perfect square, remaining all the numbers are not squares at all. So I am not getting any logic here. So what I will do is adding the columns. Total first column I will do addition. It will become 135. The same way third column also I will add. It is 63. Now first column addition, third column addition, both are completely different. So this logic is waste. Next, I will add the rows. 50 plus 9 plus 31. It is 90. Next, the same way I will add the second row numbers also. It is 70. 90, 70, no logic at all again. So this logic is not applicable. Next logic we need to go is first row, second row we need to add. We need to check whether is there any logic with the third row. Otherwise, first column, second column we need to do addition. We need to check is there any logic with the third column. The same way, first row, third row with the second row. First column, third column, any logic with the second column. Okay, let us check it out now. First I am going with the first column and third column. So first column we have 50 plus third column number is 31. 50 plus 31, it is nothing but 81. Now, is there any logic for this middle number and this 81? Of course, it is there. That is, 9 square value is 81. Otherwise, 9 into 9, 81. Okay, now, I'll try to apply the same logic for the second row also. Last two numbers, that is 42 plus 21. 42 plus 21, 63. Now, if we take this first logic, that is 9 square is 81. But in this case, 63 is not a square of any number. So, this first logic is waste. Next, second number then. That is middle number, that is 9. Middle number into 9. We will get 81. So here middle number is 7. 7 into 9 if I do means I will get 63. So this is the correct logic. The logic is first number plus second number. Whatever the answer we got, that answer is 9 times of the middle number. Okay, now the same logic we will apply with the third row also. So here third row we have 43 plus 11 is equals to 43 plus 11, how much? It is 54. Then now some number should be there. That number if we multiply with 9, we need to get 54. So what is that number? That's nothing but 6. So missed number here is 6. Okay, let's move to next question. Okay, here the question is 6, 8, 9, 14, 2, 7, 3, question mark and 7. Okay, now First logic, I will go with the addition of column numbers and addition of row numbers. Okay, first I am adding the first column numbers. 14 plus 6, 20, 20 plus 3, 23. Here third column also I am adding 9 plus 7, 16, 16 plus 7, 23. Yes, of course I got column. Addition of the numbers in the column is same. So the same logic we need to apply for the second column also. That is 8 plus 2 plus something, we don't know that number, is equals to 23. So 8 plus 2 is 10, 10 plus x is equals to 23. Now take 10 to that side, we get x is equals to 23 minus 10. So x is equals to 13. So the missing number is 13. Okay, let's move to next question then. Here the next question is 4, 6, 24, 576. The same way 3, 5, 15 and one more is missing. So now if we observe the first one, 4 into 6, 4 6 are 24, that number is 24 here. 24 square is 576. Let us apply the same logic here also then. 3 5s are 15, then we want 15 square. So 15 square is nothing but 225. Next question. Okay, in circle we have some numbers and outside of the circle also some numbers are there. So if we do something to the numbers which are outside of the circle, we will get the number which is inside of the circle. So first I am going to add all the numbers which are outside. It will be 2 plus 2 plus 4 plus 3. 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 4 8, 8 plus 3 11. This 11 and 33, is there any relation? 11 3s are 33. Next, I will try to apply the same logic for the second one also then. Okay, here outside numbers are 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 5 10 plus 4 14. 14 and 54, then no logic. So this is the wrong logic. Next, I'll try to do multiplication of the outside numbers. 2 2s are 4, 4 4s are 16, 16 3s are 48, 48 33, no logic again. Next, now what I will do is, I will take the squares of the outer numbers. 2 is there, so 2 square, plus here again 2 is there, so 2 square, plus 4 is there, 4 square, plus 3 is there, 3 square. I will try to add these all. 2 square 4 plus 2 square 4 plus 4 square 16 plus 3 square 9. 4 plus 4 8, 8 plus 16 24, 24 plus 9, it is nothing but 33, which is the middle number. Then I will apply the same logic for the second figure also now. 3 square plus 2 square plus 5 square plus 4 square, which is equals to 3 square is 9 plus 2 square is 4 plus 5 square is 25 plus 4 square is 16. 9 plus 4 13, 13 plus 25 38, 38 plus 16 54, exactly, which is the middle number. So this is the correct logic. Okay, now let us apply the same logic for the third figure also. So 6 square plus 5 square plus 4 square plus 3 square. 6 square 36 plus 5 square 25 plus 4 square 16 plus 3 square 9. So 36 plus 25 plus 16 plus 9 is nothing but 86. So the missing number is 86. Okay, let's check the next question. Six, 12, 20, 30, 42, 56, 72 and some number is missing. So what is that number then? Let us check. First I will go with addition only. If addition is not possible, then only I will go with another alternatives. Okay, first for 6, if we add 6, we will get 12. For 12, if we add 8, we get 20. For 20, if we add 10, we will get 30. For 30, if we add 12, we will get 42. For 42, if we add 14, we will get 56. And for 56, if we add 16, we will get 72. Okay, now let us check, is there any logic whatever the numbers we are adding? 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. So every time two numbers are increasing. So obviously then 16 plus 2, next number should be 18. So we will get 72 plus 18. 72 plus 18 is nothing but 90. So the missing number is there. It is 9090. Okay, let's move to next question then. Okay, we have something here. 26, 63, 124 and something is missing. Okay, now in this case, whenever I saw the question, I got some reminder. That is 26 is near to 27, which is 3 cube. 63 is near to 64, which is 4 cube. 125 is near to 5 cube, that is 125. So it means 27 minus 1, 64 minus 1, 125 minus 1. So here 27 is nothing but 3 cube. So 3 cube minus 1. 64 is nothing but 4 cube. So 4 cube minus 1. 125 is nothing but 5 cube. So 5 cube minus 1. Then obviously 3 cube, 4 cube, 5 cube completed. So next number should be 6 cube. 6 cube minus 1. 6 cube 216 minus 1. 216 minus 1 is nothing but 215. Okay, let's move to next question then. Here outside numbers we have some 1, 2, 6, 21, 88 and so on. Now here the numbers are increasing very rapidly. So I don't think addition will be there, but just let me try. For 1, if we add 1, we will get 2. For 2, if we add 4, we will get 6. For 6, if we add 15, we will get 21. Here 1 is a square, 1 square. 4 is 2 square, but 15 is not there. So I think that this is not the correct logic. Next then, we need to go, I will go with the multiplication. 1 into 2, it is 2. 2 into 3, 6. But in 6 table, 21 won't come. So this is also waste logic. Next, addition is not applicable. Anyway, all the numbers are increasing, so subtraction is not possible. Now multiplication is also not possible. Anyway, division is also not possible, because multiplication is not possible means obviously division is also not possible. So now what I will do is combining the operations. First, I will go with multiplication and addition. Is there any relationship between this 1 and 2? 1 ones are 1. For that, if I add 1, I will get 2. The same way, for 2 and 6, any relation is there? 2 2s are 4. For that, I am adding 2. So, I will get 6. So, here what is the logic I got is into 1 plus 1 into 2 plus 2. Then next should be into 3 plus 3. Into 3 plus 3. So the number is 6. 6 into 3, 18. 18 plus 3, 21. Of course, the next number is 21. So this is the correct logic now. Okay, now next 21 into 1 plus 1 completed, into 2 plus 2 completed, into 3 plus 3 completed. Now into 4 plus 4. 21 4s are 84. 84 plus 4, it is 88. Yes, of course, we have also 88 only. So now comes the next number. Now 88. We need to multiply with 5 and adding 5. 5 8s are 40, 0 4 carry, 5 8s are 40, again 440. So 88 into 5 is 440 plus 5. 440 plus 5, 445. So the missing number is 445. Okay, let's move to the next question then. Here we have 62, 28, 9, 18, 52, 7 and some missing number 32, 16. So now whenever we have this kind of questions, first we will go with these two numbers. If we add those two numbers, we need to get 9. Otherwise, adding and dividing by something, we will get 9. Otherwise, multiplying and dividing by something, we will get 9. Otherwise, subtraction may be a perfect square or perfect cube. So those kind of logics will be there. Okay, now let us check one by one. First, I will go with the addition only anyway. That is 62 plus 28. 62 plus 28 is nothing but 90. So for 90 and this number 9, what is the logic? It is 10 times. So 90 number, sorry, I'll go with another color, it's better. 90 number I will divide with 10 so that we will get 9. Let us check the same logic is applicable for the next or not. Here we have 18 and 52. So adding those two, 18 plus 52. 18 plus 52 is nothing but 70. Now 70 also we need to divide by 10 so that we get 7. Of course 7 is the correct answer. So this is the correct logic. Now let us apply the same logic for the third figure also. Here something is missing, we don't know that one, so that's why I'm taking it as x plus this number 32. If we divide that addition with 10, we need to get 16. I'm sorry. Okay, now take 10 to the right side, it will become multiplication. So x plus 32 equals to 16, 10s are 160. Now take plus 32 to the right side, then we get x is equals to 160 minus 32. So 160 minus 32, what is that answer? 128. So the missing number is 128. Okay, let's check the next question. Okay, here we have question something 5, 6, 12, 4, 3, 4, 2, 3 something, 18, 27, 96. Oh, here if you observe this clearly, in the first column, these three are smaller numbers, this is bigger number. In the second column, these three are smaller number and this is the bigger number. Here also definitely these three should be smaller than 96. So now I am thinking that in every column, first three numbers, if we do something, we will get the last number. Okay, let us check that now. First column I am taking, that is 5, 4, 2. For 5, 4, 2, if we do addition or subtraction, something like this, we need to get the last number 18. Is there any possibility like that? First I will check. So I am doing addition of those three. 5 plus 4 plus 2. 5 plus 4, 9. 9 plus 2, 11. So no logic at all. Next, I will go with addition as well as multiplication. 5 plus 4, 9. 9 into 2, 18. Oh, sorry, here don't think that like this again. This is correct. 5 plus 4, I am keeping bracket. Because if I didn't keep bracket, means it will become 4 to the 8. 8 plus 5, 13. It will become wrong then. So, okay. Now, I got this correct. 5 plus 4 is 9. 9 to the 18. I will apply the same logic for the second column also. Then only we can get conclude. Okay. First two numbers addition, that is 6 plus 3. That answer we need to multiply with 3 again. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 into 3, it is 27. Of course, 27 is the correct answer. So this logic is correct. Now let us apply the same logic to find the missing number in the third column also. What we need to do then? First two numbers we need to add, that is 12 into 4, and that number we need to multiply with the third number, but here third number is missing, so that is why I am taking as x. It's equals to 96. Oh, sorry, here not multiplication, addition, right? 12 plus 4. Okay, now so 12 plus 4, 16 into x is equals to 96. We want x value, so I will take 16 to another side, then I will get x is equals to 96 by 16. So 96 by 16 is nothing but 6. X is equals to 6. Okay, let's check the next question then. Here we have question 5, 4, 9, 6, 3, some missing number, 7, 2, 4, 65, 20, 45. Here also same like the previous question. These three numbers are smaller than the last number. these three numbers are smaller than the last number. So here also compulsory it should be like that only, these three should be smaller than the last one. Now for the three first numbers we need to do something so that I will get the last number. Okay, let us check these three now. First I will go with the addition. 5 plus 6 plus 7. 5 plus 6 11, 11 plus 7 18, but here we have 65, and 18 65 doesn't have any logic at all. Next I will go from down, that is 7 plus 6 into 5. 7 plus 6 13 into 5. 13 5s are 65. Yes, this is the correct one. So it means in the column from the last second number plus third number into first number. Okay, let us check the same logic for the second column also. So first these two numbers I need to do addition, that is 3 plus 2. That answer I need to multiply with this number 4. 3 plus 2 5, 5 times 4, it's nothing but 20. Okay, that's the correct answer. So we can conclude that the logic is correct. Now let us apply the logic, same logic for the last one. These two numbers we need to do addition, but here one number is missing, so that I will take it as some constant x. X plus 4. This answer we need to multiply with 9 so that we get 45. Okay, now let us simplify this. X plus 4 equals to this 9 I will take to another side, then it will become division. So 45 divided by 9, it is 5. Now take 4 also to the right side, then we get x is equals to 5 minus 4. It's nothing but 1. Okay, let's check the next question. 5 5 2 2 4 1 8 3 10 40 30 and something else. Okay, now here also same logic again. These three numbers are smaller than this one, so first three numbers only we need to do something so that I will get the last number. Okay, I got the logic easily. First three numbers I will multiply. Total all the three numbers I'll multiply, that is 5 into 2 into 8. 5 2s are 10. 10 into 8, that is nothing but 80. But here we have 40. So 80 half is 40. So that's why those multiplication I will divide by 2. So we will get 80 by 2. It's nothing but 40. Now let us apply the same for the second column also. These three numbers we need to multiply first. 5 times 4 times 3 and divided by 2. 5 4s are 20, 23s are 60. 60 divided by 2 is nothing but 30. Yes, that is the correct answer. So the logic is correct. Now let us apply the same logic for the third column also. These all three numbers we need to do multiplication. That is 2 into 1 into 10, and we need to divide that answer by 2. So here 2 will get cancelled, then we remains with 1 into 10. It is 10. So the missing number is 10. Let's move to next question. Okay, here we have same again. First three numbers are smaller than the fourth one. So first I'll go with the addition process. 1 plus 4 5, 5 plus 2 7. 49 is there. Wow, we got logic very easily. Now here also add all the numbers. 1 plus 4 plus 2, it is 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 2 7. Here we have fourth number as 49. So what is the relation between 7 and 49? It is nothing but square. So for this answer, if we do squaring, we will get 49. Now let us do the same for the second column also. This 2 4 plus 2 plus 2. 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 2 8. Now for this 8, if we do squaring, 8 square 64. Yes, that is the correct answer. Now the logic we got. So let us apply the same logic for the last one. Here number is missing, so write it as x plus 5 plus 3. This answer square should be 169. So x plus 5 plus 3 8 whole square equals to 169. Which number square is 169? It is 13 square. So here x plus 8 is there. In the place of x, which number if we keep, we will get 13. It is nothing but 8. So the 5 it is. So the missing number is 5. 5 plus 8, 13. 13 square is 169. Okay, let's move to next question then. Okay, here triangle vertices are having some numbers, and in the middle of the triangle one more number is there. So it means outside of the numbers, I mean triangle vertical vertices numbers, we need to do something so that we will get the middle number. First, as usual, I will go with the addition process. 5 plus 8, 13. 13 plus 7, 20. 20 and 33, no logic. Anyway, subtraction is not possible. Then we have only one chance, that is multiplication. 5 into 8, 40. 40 into 7, 280. 280 and 33, no logic again. Then I will go with addition as well as multiplication. So first 5 8s are 40. These two numbers I am doing addition. 5 into 8, 40. From that answer, if we subtract 7, we will get the middle number. So 40 minus 7 is 33. Okay, now let us check the same logic for here also. Then is applicable or not. These two numbers we need to do multiplication. 6 into 7, 42. From that answer, we need to subtract this number. That is 42 minus 6. It is nothing but 36. Yes, that is the middle number exactly. Now, third figure also there. So let us apply the same logic for third figure also. These two numbers we need to do multiplication first. That is 7 times 5, 35. From that answer, we need to subtract this number, minus 4. 35 minus 4, it is 31. Yes, middle number. So this logic is correct. Now let us apply the same logic to find out the missing number in the fourth figure. These two we need to multiply. That is 8 into 7. From that answer, we need to subtract 14. 8 7s are 56. 56 minus 14. This number we need to subtract. So that is nothing but 42. So the missing number or the question mark is 42. Okay, let's move to next question then. Okay, here in the square box, outside some numbers are there, again inside of circle some number is there. So it's very simple then. If we do something for these outer 4 numbers, we will get that middle 13 number. Okay, let us check. First, as usual, I will go with the addition process only. It will become 10 plus 11 plus 5 plus 13. 10 plus 11 plus 5 plus 13. Outer numbers I am doing addition. 10 plus 11, 21. 21 plus 5, 26. 26 plus 13, it is 39. Now, is there any relation between this 39 and 13? Of course, it is there. This number 39, if I divide by 3, I will get 13. Now, I'll apply the same logic for the second figure also. If it is applicable, then only this is correct logic. Adding all the outside numbers, that is 17, 5, 17, 9. 17 plus 5 plus 17 plus 9. That is nothing but 17, 17, 34, 34, 14, 48. Now, here I am divided by 3. So, here also I need to do the same. 48 divided by 3. It's nothing but 16. Of course, the middle number is 16 only. So, this logic is correct. Now, again I need to confirm by applying the same logic to the third figure also. Because here 4 figures are there. So, let me go with third figure now. Adding all the outer numbers, 19 plus 6 plus 7 plus 10. 19 plus 6, 25, 32, 42 it is. So, this 42 number, if I divide by 3, 42 divided by 3, nothing but 14. Yes, here we have 14 only. So, this is the logic correct. Now, let us apply for the last one then. Add first all the outer numbers. that is 9 plus 15 plus 6 plus 6. 9 plus 15, 24, 12, 36. So this answer is 36. Now every logic we divided by 3. So here also 36 we need to divide by 3. 36 divided by 3, it is nothing but 12. So the missing number or the question mark is 12. Okay, then let's move to next question. Okay, if you observe this, 27, 42 are both sides of and then in the middle 146 is there. So it means 27 and 42, if you do something, we need to get the middle number 146. Let us check. First, anyway, I will go with the addition process only. So outside numbers 27 plus 42, if we do, we get 69. 69 and 146, no relation. Then I will do multiplication of those two. That is 27 into 42. Of course, it will become very bigger number. 27 times 42. It's nothing but 1134. Let me check. Is there any relation between this 1134 and 146? Sorry, no relation. Okay, next. This logic is also not applicable. Then we need to think about combination of the operation, that is addition, multiplication, otherwise subtraction, multiplication, like this. Anyway, that is also not possible, because to possible that should be no relation at all between 27 and 42, 146 also. Next, let us go with one more logic. 27 is a 3 cube, but 42 is not anything, nothing. Next, still 27 and 42, will they both come in any table? Yes, it will come. This will come in 3 table, 3 9s are, and this will come in 3 14s are. Then these two numbers I will take, then 14 and 9. 14 into 9s are, no, it is 126 only, not 146. Then now what I will do is, I will think sometimes silly also, because all logics won't be very difficult. Sometimes very silly reasons will be there, but that we won't catch. Let us check now. Is there any that kind of logic? Two sevens are 14. 4 plus 2 6. Okay, 2 sevens are 14. 4 plus 2 6. These two numbers together we are writing 146. Then let us check whether it is applicable for the next or not. Then next, 39 is there, so 3 into 9, it is 27. Then 56 is there, so 5 plus 6, it is 11. If we write side by side, it will become bigger number, not 548. So this logic is wrong. Then still, from 27 I will take the last digit 7. From 42 also I will take the last digit. I will multiply those two. 7 2s are 14. Now remaining two digits are there. I will add to those two digits. 2 plus 4, 6. Now this 14 and 6, two numbers I will write side by side. Then we will get 146. Okay, now let us apply the same for the next also. Then last digit is 9, last digit is 6. So 9 into 6, it is 54. Remaining two digits 3 and 5. If we add 3 plus 5, it will become 8. Now if we write these together, 548. Yes, This is the correct logic. So now let us apply the same logic for the last one also. Here last digit is 7, here last digit is 3. So 7 times 3, it is 21. Next, here remaining digit is 1, here also remaining digit is 1. So if we add 1 plus 1, 2. Now these two numbers, if we write side by side, our missing number will be 212. Okay, then let's check the next question. So outside number, some numbers are there, and inside of the triangle also one number is there. So if we do something for the outside numbers, we need to get the middle number. The first thing I will do is addition only. So let me add all the outside numbers. 12 plus 6 plus 7. 12 plus 6, 18. 18 plus 7, 25. Is there any logic for this 25 and 52? 25 2s are 50. 50 plus 2 is 52. Okay, let me check the same logic is applicable for the second one or not then. Adding outside numbers, 9 plus 9 plus 17. 9 plus 9, 18. 18 plus 17, it is 30. Then 35 and 53, is there any logic again? No, obviously. Now check the answers and the middle numbers clearly, we will get one logic. Here we have 25 and the middle number is 52, reversing the digits. Here answer is 35, the reverse is 53, reversing the digits. Now let us apply the same for this third figure also. So we get, adding outside numbers, 7 plus 8 plus 4, which is nothing but 7 plus 8, 15 plus 4, 19. This 19 reverse is 91. Yes, this is the correct logic. Now let us apply the same logic for the last figure also. First adding all the outside numbers, that is 11 plus 13 plus 5. 11 plus 13, 24. 24 plus 5, 29. Then 29, if we do reverse, we get 92. So the missing number is 92. Okay, let's move to the next question then. Okay, 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 2, 1, something is missing, 3, 3 by 2, 1. So what is the missing number there? Now if we observe this clearly, something we are doing division, but by taking which numbers we are doing division, let us check that clearly then. First column, if we observe, 1 2 3 only there, so that 1 2 3 we can write it as 1 by 1, 2 by 1, 3 by 1. Next, the same way, second column, if we observe, we got 1 by 2. Here 1 by 2 is there, means the next should be compulsory 2 by 2. And then it is 3 by 2. 2 by 2 is nothing but 1 only. So this is also correct logic. Okay, now the same way, the same logic if you apply it to the third column, 1 by 3 as usual. Here now 2 by 1, 2 by 2. The next should be 2 by 3. 2 by 3. Then what about the last one then? It is 1 is there, that is nothing but 3 by 3. So the missing number is 2 by 3. Okay, next question. Outside of the circles we have some numbers and inside they give one more number. So first thing I will do addition only. Outside numbers, if we add 1 plus 43 plus 22 plus 15, 1 43 22 15, these are all outside numbers. I am doing addition. So let me do addition. 1 plus 43, 44, 44, 66, 81. Now here outside I have 81 and inside of the circle I have 3. So is there any relation between this 3 and 81? Of course one relation is there, that is 4th root of 81 is 3. Otherwise simply 3 power 4 is 81. Now let us check whether the same logic is applicable for second figure or not. Outside numbers, if we do addition, 7 plus 1 plus 5 plus 3. 7 plus 1 8, 8 plus 5 13, 13 plus 3 16. So what is fourth root of 16? It is 2. Of course the middle number is 2. So this is the correct logic. Now add all the outside numbers. Here outside number is not given, so that's why one we will take it as x. X plus 110 plus 100 plus 320. If we add all these, 110 plus 100 is nothing but 210. 210 plus 320 is 530. 530 plus x. Okay, so now after adding the digits, every time we got fourth power of the middle number. So the same way here also, 5 power 4. 5 power 4 how much? 625. So it means this number 530 plus x, 530 plus x is equals to 5 power 4 625. Then x is equals to 625. 530, if we take another side, then it will become minus 625 minus 530. It is 95. So the missing number is 95. Okay, let's move to next question. Here upper numbers we have 4 and 9, and lower numbers we have 6. Now if we observe this number 4, it is 2 square, and this number 9, if we observe, it is 3 square. So here down I have 6. These two bases, if I multiply 2 3s, I will get 6. So this only I will write neatly. First number 4 is there, I will do square root of it. Next number 9 is there, I will do square root of it. Root 4 2 into root 9 3. 2 3s are 6. Let me check whether the same logic is applicable for the next numbers or not. Here 9 is there, so root 9 into, here 16 is there, so root 16. Root 9 is 3 into root 16 4. 3 4s are 12. Yes, this is the 12. So let us apply the same logic for the last one also. That is root 16 into root x. We don't know what is that one. Then that number should be 20. So what will be that number then? Let us check it out. Root 16 is 4. So 4 into root x is equals to 20. Now 4 if we take to the right side, then we will get root x is equals to 20 divided by 4. Root x is equals to 5. Root x value is 5. Then what about x value? It is 5 square. Nothing but 25. So the missing number is 25. Okay, let's move to the next question then. Here the next question is 111 120 is there, 2 7 45 is there, 3 5 something is missing. So now here first column, if you observe, first number second number both are smaller than the third number. Now this here 120 is there, 120 is near to 121, which is 11 square. Of course I have here 11 also numbers. So now I will apply the first logic as second number square minus first number. 11 square 121 minus first one, which is equals to 120. Next the same logic I'll apply for the second column. Second number square 7 square minus first number. 7 square 49 minus 2. 49 minus 2 47, but here 45 is there, so I did somewhere mistake. Now let me check again. Here what I will do, instead of taking 1 I will take 1 square. 1 square also 1 only. Now here 2 I will take it as 2 square, then it will become 2 square is 4. So 49 minus 4, that is nothing but 45. Yes, third number is 45. So the logic is second number square minus first number square. Okay, third column if we apply, second number 5 square minus first number square 3 square, 5 square 25 minus 3 square 9, 25 minus 9 16. So the missing number is 16. Okay, let us move to the next one then. Here the question is 6, 5, 3, 15 is there, then 9, 7, 6, 5 is there, 4, 18, 1, 8 is there. So here outside numbers, first I will go with addition only. 6 plus 5 11, 11 plus 15 26 plus 3 29, but here in the middle 93 is there, no logic. Next I'll go with the addition. 6 5s are 30, 30 into 5 450, 450 into 3 is very bigger number. So then what I will do is taking two numbers and applying some kind of logic. 5 6 are 30, 15 3s are 45, 30 plus 45 75, but in the middle 93 is there, not coming. Next 5 into 3 15 plus 15 into 6 90, it is 105, bigger than 93, so waste again. Next these two numbers I'll do and these two numbers I'll do. 5 into 15 75 plus 6 3s are 18, 75 plus 18 it is 93. Okay, we got it. Now let me check for the third figure also it's applicable or not. These two numbers we need to multiply, that is 18 ones are 18 plus these two numbers we need to do a multiplication again, 4 8s are 32, 18 plus 32 50. Yes, this logic is correct. Now let's apply the same logic for the middle figure also. 7 times 5 35 plus 9 times 6 54, 35 plus 54 is nothing but 89. Okay, let's move to next question then. Here the next question is 5 4 20 and 9, 3 8 24 11, 9 4 something 13. Okay, I got the logic here. Simple way to say these two numbers, if we take 5 and 4, 5 into 4 is 20, 5 plus 4 is 9, 20 he wrote here, 9 he wrote here. The same way these two numbers if we take 3 times 8 24, 3 plus 8 it is 11. The same way here also 9 and 4 is there. So first 9 4s are 36, 9 plus 4 13, already 13 is there, so the remaining number will be 36. Okay, then let's move to the next question. Okay, outside we have 9 4 8 10, then in the middle 58 is there. So first I'll go with the addition only. 9 plus 4 13, 13 plus 10 23, 23 plus 8 31, not 58. Next multiplication if we do 9 4s are 36, 36 10s are 360, very bigger than 58, so no logic. Next like the previous question I will do now, that is multiplying two digits and then doing subtraction or addition, something like this. 4 9s are 36, 10 8s are 80, 36 and 80 whatever we do also we won't get 58, so this logic is waste. Next, instead of taking 4 9 I will go with the opposite numbers. 4 8s are 32, 9 10s are 90. What? I got it. Opposite numbers if you do, 9 into 10 90 minus 4 into 8 32, 9 10s are 90 minus 4 8s are 32, 90 minus 32 it is 58. Yes, this is the correct logic. Now let us apply the same for the second figure also. 15 into 10 minus 9 into 8. 15 into 10 150 minus 9 8s are 72. So 150 minus 72 is nothing but 78. So the missing number in the figure is 78. Okay, then let's move to next question. here smaller number, bigger, smaller number, here bigger number. So it means according to the row I will go now. Okay, so 11 and 3 do something, we need to get the number 49. Anyway, addition is not possible, subtraction is not possible. Then I will go with the multiplication. 11 3 is a 33, 33 49, no logic at all. Now I will think 11 plus 3 is 14. 14 and 49, any relation is there? Yes, it is there. That is 11 plus 3 is 14. 14 by 2, 7. For this number, if we do square, we will get 49. Okay, let us check the same then for third row also. Is it applicable or not? So if we look at the third row, we have 7 and 3. So add those two numbers, 7 plus 3, divide it by 2. 7 plus 3, 20. 20 by 2, it is 10. So for this number 10, we need to do squaring. 10 square, 100. So yes, that is correct. Now the logic we got which is correct, then let us apply the same for finding the missed number here. So first these two numbers we need to do addition, that is 5 plus 19 divided by 2. 5 plus 19 is 24, 24 by 2, it's nothing but 12. So for this 12 we need to do square now. So 12 square, 144. So this is the number which is missing in the question. Okay, let's move to the next question then. Sorry. One circle is there, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. Oh, very easy this one. 16 plus 2, 18. 18 plus 2, 20. 20 plus 2, 22. 22 plus 2, 24. 24 plus 2, 26. 26 plus 2, 28. The same way 28 plus 2, it is 30. So the missing number is 28. Sorry. Okay, the next question we have something like 4, 9, 20, 43, 90 and so on. So some pattern should continue like this. For 4 if I add 5 we will get 9. For 9 if I add 11 we will get 20. 5 and 11. Then next for 20 if I add 23 I will get 43. 5, 11, 23, no logic. Next multiplication I will go with. For 4 and 9 if we do, oh I like it here better, that is 4 into 2 plus 1 is 9 because 4 2 is 8, 8 plus 1 9. Next 9 and 20, then it can be written as 9 2s are 18 plus 2, it is 20. Okay, I got it. Next third one, then from 20 to 43, 20 into 2 40, 40 plus 3 43. Okay, I got the logic now. So the logic is very simple, every time doing into 2 only and adding the natural numbers. So now next should be 43 into 2 plus 1 2 3 completed. Next should be 4. 43 2s are 86. 86 plus 4 90. Yes, that is only answer. So now finding the next one, 90 we need to multiply with 2 plus 1 2 3 4 completed. The next should be 5. 90 2s are 180 plus 5. 180 plus 5, it is 185. Okay, till now if you didn't subscribe to my channel, subscribe for more videos. Thank you. Okay, the next question is, outside of the triangle we have some numbers and inside of the triangle we have one number. So first outside numbers I will go with addition. 6 plus 8 14, 14 plus 7 21. 21 and 168 there is no relation. Next I will do multiplication of all the outside numbers. 6 into 8 into 7. 6 8s are 48. 48 7s are 336. Now if we observe, is there any relation between this 336 and 168? Of course it is there, because 168 double is 336. So After doing multiplication, whatever the number we got, for that if we do by 2, we will get the middle number. So let us apply the same logic here also. Multiplying all the outside numbers, 12 into 4 into 6, then dividing that answer by 2. 12 into 4, 48. 48 into 6, 288. 288 divided by 2, it's nothing but 144. Okay, next question. Two, 6, 14, 13, 17, 15, 167, 283, and something is missing here. So what is that missing number? Okay, now if you observe this, 167 is near to 169, which is 13 square. Here also we have 13 number anyway. So I will apply that logic now. Second number square, 13 square, minus first number 13 square, 169 minus 2, it's nothing but 167. Then the same way here 17 is there, so 17 square minus first number 17 square, 289 minus 6, 283. Now let us apply the same logic for the third column also. 15 square minus 14. 15 square, it is 225 minus 14, that is nothing but 211. Okay, the next question is 26, 42. It is 17, 37, 39, 19, 25, 47. What is this number here? Okay, now for these two numbers, if you do something, we need to get 17. So first anyway I will go with the basic, that is addition only. 26 plus 42. 26 plus 42, it is 68. For 68, what we need to do so that we will get 17. 17 4 times is 68. So 26 plus 42 by 4 is equals to 68 by 4, which is nothing but 17. Let us check the same logic is applicable for second figure or not. So upper two numbers, 37 plus 39 divided by 4. 37 plus 39 is nothing but 76. 76 by 4, 19. Of course, it is the correct logic. Now let us apply the same for the third figure. So we need to do 25 plus 47 divided by 4. So 25 plus 47, it is 72. 72 by 4, 18. So the missing number is 18. Next, okay, now if you observe these numbers, 144 is 12 square. So how we will get 12 from these two numbers? 4 3s. So 4 into 3, it is 12. For that number, if we do square, we will get our answer 144. Then let us apply the same logic for the next figure. That is 11 into 9. These two numbers multiplication, which will become 99. Now for this answer 99, we need to do squaring. 99 square is nothing but 9801. Okay, now the third figure in this. Sorry, actually I forgot to draw it. 15, 6. And it is something question mark. Okay, now again same upper two numbers, we need to do multiplication first. That is 15 6 90. 15 into 6, 90. Now for this 90 we need to do squaring. 90 square is equals to 8100. So this is the missing number there. Okay, let's move to next question then. Okay, now look at this question. Outside some numbers are there and middle 13 is there. So now outside numbers, if we observe clearly, 4 and 16 some relation is there, 3 and 27 some relation is there. The same way 11 and 55 some relation is there, 7 and 42 also some relation is there. So first according to that relations I will go. If that is not applicable means then I will move to another logic immediately. First, what is the logic behind this 4 and 16 division? It is 16 by 4 plus what is the relation between these two numbers then? That is 27 and 3. Again I will do division. 27 by 3. So we get 16 by 4 is 4 plus 27 by 3 9. 4 plus 9 13, which is the middle number. Okay, let us apply the same for this now also. 55 divided by 11. 55 by 11 plus 42 by 7. 42 by 7. Next, 55 by 11 5 plus 42 by 7 6. 5 plus 6, it is nothing but 11, which is the middle number. So it is correct. Next, third one. 72 divided by 8 plus 27 divided by 9. 72 by 8 9 plus 27 by 3 it is 3. 9 plus 3 12. So the missing number is 12. Okay, let's look at the next question then. Okay, now let us observe this. 17, 18 and 12, 25 is there. 13, 14, 7, 29 is there. So here I got the logic. That is 27 square is 729. The same way this is also the square of 35. So now how I will get this 35 as well as 27? Let us check that upper numbers now. Here upper we have 17 and 18. If I add those two numbers, 17 plus 18 is nothing but 35. For that number 35, if I do squaring, I will get the lower number 1225. Now I'll apply the same logic for the second one also. Here it is upper numbers 2 we need to do addition, that is 13 plus 14. 13 plus 14 is nothing but 27. For 27 we need to do squaring. So 27 square equals to 729. Now let us apply the same logic here also then. 19 plus 4, that is nothing but 36. Now for 36 we need to do squaring. So 36 square equals to 1296. Let us check the next question then. 3, 6, 9, 5, 8, 20, 4, 7. What is the missing number here? Okay, now if we observe the first row clearly, some relation should be there between this 3 and 6 so that we will get 9. That is addition. 3 plus 6 is 9. Now I'll apply the same logic for the second row. 5 plus 8, it is 13. But here 20 is there. So that logic is wrong. Then what is the next logic? I'll do multiplication. That is, first two numbers in the row, 3 into 6. I'll do multiplication, so that we will get 18. Sorry. Now, what is the relation between that 18 and 9? It is half. So 18 half is nothing but 9. Let us check the same for second row also. 5 into 8, it is 40. What is 40 by 2? It is 20. Of course, it is correct. So let us apply the same for the third row also. Then 4 into 7, it is 28. So this 28 we need to divide by 2, so that we will get 14. Okay, next question. Here 10, 64, 8, 27, 1. Next 14, 125, 64, 27, 8. And third figure is, what will come in the question mark? If the outside numbers are 216, 125, 64 and 27. Okay, now outside of the numbers of a circle, if you observe, 8 is 2 cube, 27 is 3 cube, 64 is 4 cube, 1 we can write it as 1 cube, 125 5 cube, 64 4 cube, 27 3 cube, 8 2 cube. So based on this cube logic, I will check first. Okay, now for the first figure, this is 64 means 4 cube. I will take that 4 plus 27 is 3 cube. I am taking that 3. 8 is 2 cube. So 2 plus 1 is 1 cube. 1. 4 plus 3 7. 7 plus 2 9. 9 plus 1 10, which is the middle number. Now next second figure. 125 is which cube? 5 plus 64 4 cube. 27 3 cube plus 8 2 cube. Now let us add all this. 5 plus 4 9, 9 plus 3 12, 12 plus 2 14. Exactly, that is the middle number. Now let us apply the same logic here also. Cube root of 216 6 plus cube root of 125 5, cube root of 64 4, cube root of 27, it is nothing but 3. So now if you add all these numbers, 6 plus 5 11, 11 plus 7 18. So the missing number is 18. Okay, let's move to next question then. 49, 81, 16, 169, 144, 25, then 484, sorry, not 85, 84 it is. 484, then 625. What is the next question in that? Okay, now let us apply, check clearly. First one, if we take 49 is 7 square, 81 is 9 square, 16 is 4 square. So first I will check, is there any logic between these three numbers. 49 is nothing but 7 square and 81 is nothing but 9 square. So if we take the bases only, so for that I will do square root then. Root 49 plus root 81. Root 49 is 7 plus root 81 is 9. 7 plus 9, 16, which is the third number. So square root of first number plus square root of second number is equals to third number. Next, second one. Square root of 169, which is 13, plus square root of 144, which is 12. So 13 plus 12, which is nothing but 25, which is the third number. Now let us apply the same for the third one also. So here 484 is the square root of 484, it is 22, plus square root of 625, it is 25. If we add all these two, we will get answer as 47. So the missing number is 47. Okay, let's move to next question then. 144 and 60. 81, 225, 135, 49, 289. What is the missing number here? So here now if you observe the first row, here we will get a logic clearly. 25 is 5 square, 144 is 12 square. So root 25 into root 144, which is equals to root 25 is 5 into root 144 is 12. 5 12s are 60. Same like the previous question only. In the previous question we did square root of first number plus square root of second number. In this case square root of the first number into square root of second number. Okay, next one then. Root 81 into root 225. Root 81, 9 into root 25, 15. 15 9s are 135. Let us apply the same logic for the third row also then. Root 49 into root 289. Root 49 is nothing but 7 into root 289 is nothing but 17. So 17 into 7, that is 119. So the next number in the, sorry, not next number, missing number is 119. Next, let us move to next question then. 144. Here the middle number is 132 and last number is 121. Next here it is 64. This we need to find out, and here it is 100. Okay, now if you observe these numbers clearly, here 144 is 12 square, 121 is 11 square. So I got the logic now. Under root 144 into under root 121. Root 144, 12 into root 121, 11. 12 11s are 132. Square root of the first number into square root of the second number. We will get the third number. Next, second row if we take square root of 64 into square root of 100. Square root of 64, 8. Square root of 100, 10. So 8 10s are 80. Let's check the next question then. 8, 3, 2, 22. 4, 4, 5, 11. 5, 6, 5, question mark. Okay, here if you observe the first figure clearly, 8 3s are 24 minus 2, 22. So first I'll go with this logic. 8 3s are 24 minus 2, which we get the last number 22. Let us check if the same applicable or not for the second figure also. 4 4s are 4 into 4 16 minus 5. It is 11, of course the last number. So this is the correct logic. Now let us apply the same for this also. These two we need to multiply, that is 5 6 are 30. From that we need to remove this number. So 30 minus 5, 25. The missed number is 25. Okay, let us check the next question then. Eight 6 96 2. Next 15 2 62 something 5 6 120. So what will come in the question mark place? So now if we observe clearly, 8 6 are 48, 48 2s are 96. So multiplication of all the numbers. 8 into 6 into 2, it's nothing but 96. The same with the second one also. These three numbers we need to multiply. That is 15 into 2 into 2. 15 2s are 30, 30 2s are 60. Now let us apply the same for last one. Here some number is missing. That number I am taking as x. X into 5 into 6 is equals to 120. X into 5 6 are 30 is equals to 120. Now we want x value, so that I will take 30 to the right side. So it will become 120 by 30. 120 by 30, it is 40. So the missing number is 40. Oh sorry, only 4, because 120 by 30, right? So it is only 4. Okay, next question. 2, 5, 625, 1, 3, 169, 1, 1. What is the number? So now if we observe the question clearly, this is 625, which is 25 square. This is 169, which is 13 square. Then what are those, where are those numbers 25 and 13? Here it is there. First number, second number, if we write side by side, it will become 25. For the 25, if we do squaring, we will get 625. The same way here, these two numbers, if we write side by side, it will become 13. 13 square is nothing but 169. Okay, now the same way, last row also if we observe, here 1 is there, here 1 is there. These two numbers, if we write side by side, it will become 11. So 11 square, 121. Okay, let us check the next question then. 9, 6, 117. 8, 2, 68. 7, 3, question mark. Okay, so what is the relation between this 9 and 6? So if we do something to that, otherwise we need to get 117. So what is that logic? 9 plus 6, 15. Addition not possible. 9 minus 6, 3. Subtraction not possible. 9 6 are 54. That also not possible. So to make this 117 for these two numbers, I will take squares. Because 117 is bigger number, right? I am trying to make 9 and 6 bigger. So that's why I'll go with the square first. 9 square plus 6 square. 9 square 81 plus 6 square 36. 81 plus 36, it's nothing but 117. So correct logic. Next, second one also I will check now. First two numbers, upper one, 8 square plus 2 square. 8 square 64 plus 2 square 4. 64 plus 4, it's nothing but 68, which is this number, correct one. Okay, now let us apply the same for the last one then. These two numbers we need to do squares and plus. 7 square plus 3 square. 7 square 49 plus 3 square 9. 49 plus 9, 58. This is the missing number. Okay, let us check the next question then. Here it is 9, here it is 8, here it is 7. So we got here 65. Here what number will come if the remaining numbers are 10, 8 and 3. Okay, now these two numbers I will take. 9 into 8. 9 into 8. 9 8s are 72. So from the 72 answer, I will remove the third number. 72 minus 7, which is nothing but 65. Yes, that is the middle number. Now the same logic I will try to apply for this one. First, these two numbers we need to do multiplication. That is 10 into 8, which is nothing but 80. Now from this 80 we need to subtract this 3. So 80 minus 3, it's nothing but 77. Next, for this kind of questions, sometimes we need to be very careful because here third figure is not there. So whatever we assumed for the first figure, that logic, it is we are applying for the second one, but we are not getting any chance to cross check that logic again, because in the previous questions we will be having three figures. So first figure we will assume some logic, that same assumed logic is satisfied for the first figure as well as for the second figure also. So after getting the satisfaction from the second figure, we are confirming that okay, that logic is correct. But in this case we are not confirming anywhere that logic is correct, just we are assuming only. So that's why in these kind of questions one more logic also will be there. Sometimes only, not every time. Let me check that also now. 8 sevens are 56. 56 plus 9, 65. Now if I apply the same logic here, 8 threes are 24. 24 plus 10, 34. So two answers are possible. One is 77, one is 34. According to the options, which one will be satisfied, that you need to keep it. Okay, next question is 22, 32, 42, 2, 2, 2, then 20, here something, and 34. Okay, now if we observe the second row, here all 2's only there, so it means some logic will be there behind this 2's only first. Okay, now first number 22, from that I will subtract this. 22 minus 2, which is nothing but 20. The same way, third one we have 42. From that 42, if we subtract 2, we won't get 34 then. So from 42, which number we need to subtract so that we will get 34? So from 42, we need to subtract 8. Then only we will get 34. Then where this 8 come from? It come from 2 only, because this is 2 power 1. This is 2 power 2. This is 3 power 3. So 42 minus 2 cube we need to do. 2 cube is nothing but 8. So 42 minus 8 is 34. Now let us check for the second one then. 32 minus 2 square 4. 32 minus 4, it is 28. So the missing number is 28. Okay, let's check the next question then. Four, 9, 20, 43, 90. What will come in the place of question mark? Now in this type of questions, compulsory some series will be there. So let us check that once. First starting from 4 to 9. 4 2s are 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 2s are 18 plus 2 is 20. Then comes 20 2s are 40 plus 3 is 43. Then 43 2s are 86 plus 4 is 90. So every time number into 2 only, but plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. So the next should be 90 into 2 plus 5. 90 2s are 180. 180 plus 5, it is 185. Let us check the next question now. Here it is 8, 9, here it is 4. In the middle 108. The same way here 4, here 12, here 5, here some missing is number there. Okay, now if you observe these numbers, 4 plus 8, 12. For that number 12, if we multiply this one, 12 9s are 108, which is the middle number. Next, here also same then. These two numbers we need to add first. That is 5 plus 4, it is 9. That 9 we need to multiply with this number. 9 into 12, 108. So here the missing number is 108 only. Let us check the next question then. 4, 20, above this 22 is there. Next 5, 74, here 7 is there. 6, here question mark, above that 1 is there. Okay, now some relation should be there, this 4 and 2, so we will get 20. So what is that relation? 4 plus 2, 6, no relation. 4 2s are 8, no relation. So that now I'll go with squares. 4 square plus 2 square. 4 square 16 plus 2 square 4. 16 plus 4 20. It is correct. Then 5 square plus 7 square we need to do then here. 5 square plus 7 square. 5 square 25 plus 7 square 49. 25 plus 49 it is 74. So the logic is correct. Now if you apply the same logic for this third one also, 6 square plus 1 square we need to do then. 6 square plus 1 square. 6 square is 36 plus 1 square is 1. 36 plus 1 which is nothing but 37. Next question. (34), 46, 58 and some number is missing here. So now just now I got the logic that 34, 46, 58 some number is being added here. What is that number then? From 34 to 46 12 is added. From 46 to 58 12 is added. So same 12 we need to add here also. That is 58 plus 12. It's nothing but 70. Then who knows that it is stopping here? I will think that it is starting only from here. Sorry. Okay. If I think that instead of ending at this last box, I am assuming that it is starting from here only. So what number should be there here then? Every time we are adding 12. So 34 minus 12. 34 minus 12 which is nothing but 22. So in case if here 22 is there, 22 plus 12 34, 34 plus 12 46, 46 plus 12 58. It ends there like that. So two options will be available. One is 70 and one is 22. In the question, whatever the option is there, according to that we need to tick it. Okay, let's move to next question then. 5 2 8 40 5 2 4 1 3 10 30 question mark. Okay, now if you observe here, first column if you observe, first three numbers are smaller and last number is bigger. So definitely multiplication only. That 5 into 2 into 8. 5 2s are 10, 10 8s are 80. What is the relation between this 80 and 40? It is half. So 80 half is 40. Now let's move to the second column. Second column, if you multiply these three numbers, that is 5 into 4 into 3, and here we did half, so here also I am doing half. Let us check whether we will get the same or not. Okay, so 5 4s are 20, 23s are 60. 60 divided by 2, it is nothing but 30. So this is the correct logic. Now let us apply the same logic for the third column also. These three numbers we need to do multiplication, that is 2 into 1 into 10 and dividing it by 2. So 2 will get cancelled, then 1 into 10, 10. Okay, let's check the next question then. Two, 2, 4, 3. (54) here 5 2 3 4. Then one more question mark here, 3 4 5 6. Okay, what will come in the question mark place? First let us check the first figure. Outside numbers, if I do addition, 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 4 11. 11 3s are 33. 11 3s are 33. Let us check the same logic is applicable in the second figure or not. 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 5 10, 10 plus 4 14. 14 and 54, no logic at all. So this logic is not correct. Now what I will do is multiplication of all the outside numbers. 2 2s are 4, 4 4s are 16, 16 3s are 48. 48 and 33, no logic at all. Then I will do squares of the outside numbers and addition. 2 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square. These all 4 numbers I am doing squares, and those answers I am doing addition. Okay, let us check now. 2 square 4 plus 2 square 4 plus 3 square 9 plus 4 square 16. 16 plus 4 20. 20 plus 13 33. Yes, that is the correct one. Next, second one also we will check. 3 square plus 2 square plus 5 square plus 4 square. 3 square 9 plus 2 square 4 plus 5 square 25 plus 3 square 9. So 9 plus 4 13. 13 plus 25, it is 38. 38. Oh, sorry. 9 plus 4 13. 13 plus 25, it is 38. 38 plus 9, it is 47. Oh, sorry. Here I did mistake actually. Because this is 3 square, 2 square, 5 square, 4 square, right? 3 square, 2 square, 5 square, it is 4 square. So 4 square is nothing but 16. Okay, now let us do addition properly. Sorry for that. 3 square is 9 plus 2 square is 4 plus 5 square is 25 plus 16. So which is nothing but 54. Exactly the middle number. Now let us apply the same for the final one. 6 square 36. 5 square 25. 4 square 16. 3 square 9. If we add all these, 36 plus 25 plus 16 plus 9, the answer is 86. So the missing number is 86. Okay, let's move to next question then. 8, 3, 4, 7, 6, 1, 2, 4, some missing, 13, 5 and 4. Okay, now if we observe these numbers, I am not getting any logic, so one by one logic I will go. That is, first all the columns, all the numbers in the columns addition. 8 plus 7 15, 15 plus 2 17, 17 plus 13. Addition of the numbers in the first column is 30. The same way with the second column also. 3 plus 6 9, 9 plus 4 13, 13 plus 5 18. So 13 18, addition of the columns is different. Next I'll go with the rows. 8 plus 3 11, 11 plus 4 15. Second row if you do like that. 7 plus 6 13 plus 1 14. Okay, here I got 15 14. So next I'll check the last one then, because I am thinking that here 15 14 got means next number should be 13, then last should be 12, like that I'm checking. 13 plus 5 18, 18 plus 4 22. Again no logic then. Okay, now let us think in still different way. 8 plus 7 15, 15 minus 2 13. Okay, we got it. 8 plus 7 15, 15 minus 2, it is 13. Let us check for the second column also then. 3 plus 6 9, 9 minus 4, it is 5. Yes, correct only. So the last one also, if we go with the same logic then, 4 plus 1 minus, third number we don't have, so I am taking it as some constant x plus, equals to 4. 4 plus 1 5, 5 minus x is equals to 4. Take minus x to the right side and bring 4 to the left side. So we will get the x value as 5 minus 4. It's nothing but 1. Okay, the next question. It's 2 6 2 3 in the middle 168. Next second figure also same. Here it is 3 5 1 2, the middle number is 120. Okay, I am getting some logic, because if we observe the middle numbers, easily we will get the logic now. 2, 3, here 5, here 4, something is missing. Okay, now if you observe the middle numbers, this is 168, which is near to 169, which is 13 square. This is 120, which is near to 121, which is 11 square. Okay, now for the first one, I will add all the outside numbers. 2 plus 6 plus 2 plus 3. 2 plus 6, 8, 8 plus 2, 10, 30, 10 plus 3, 13. So, 13 square minus 1. 13 square, 169. 169 minus 1, 168. The same way here also, 3 plus 5 plus 1 plus 2. 3 plus 5, 8, 8 plus 1, 9, 9 plus 2, 11. 11 square minus 1, 120. The same logic for the last one then. Adding all the outside numbers. 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 4, 9. 9 plus 5, 14. So our answer should be 14 square minus 1. 14 square, 196. 196 minus 1. It's nothing but 195. Next question. 5, 7, 11, 13, 17. And what will come in the next box? Five, 7, 11, 13, 17. If we observe those numbers clearly, easily we can say one thing. Those all are prime numbers. 5 is a prime number. After 5, the next prime number is 7. Next prime number is 11. Next prime number is 13. Next prime number is 17. Then after 17, which is the prime number? Nothing but 19. Next question. 5, 8, 11, 4, 9, 10, 7, 6, something. Okay, first as usual, I'll go with the addition of the numbers in the columns. First column, if we add 5 plus 4, 9, 9 plus 7, 16, 8 plus 9, 17, 17 plus 6, 23. Addition of the numbers in the columns are not same, so no logic. Next, I will go with the rows. 5 plus 8, 13, 13 plus 11, 24. Next, 10 plus 9, 19, 19 plus 4, 23. Here 24 I got, here 23 I got. It means the next should be 22. So what number should be there in that then? So 22 should be there, means here already 7 plus 6 is 13. 13 plus which number? We will get 22. That is nothing but 13 plus 9. 9, if we add to 13, we will get 22. Then what if 22 this 9 number is not there in the options? Let us go with one more logic also. Till now we didn't discuss this logic in all these questions also. Okay, now that question is from 5 to 4, how much we are decreasing? 1. That I write as minus 1. From 4 to 7, plus 3. Okay, next. From 7 to 6, minus 1. 6 to 9, plus 3. From 9 to 8, minus 1. And from 8 to 11, plus 3. From 11 to 10, minus 1. Then from 10 to next number, it should be plus 3. So 10 plus 3, 13. So answer may be 9 or answer may be 13. If you observe this pattern, I am going nicely like this. From here I am coming, here I am going, and here I am coming. So that is the logic. Minus 1 plus 3, minus 1 plus 3, minus 1 plus 3, minus 1 plus 3. So 10 plus 3 is 13. Till now, if you didn't subscribe to my channel, subscribe for more videos. Thank you.